Hello everyone. We are reading chapter 7, that is children at work. In the last class we have discussed that work at home. Yes or no? So everyone is working at home. All the members are helping to each other, father, mother, and even the children are also helping with the easy work. Yes or no? So now today children at work. So there are many children in the country, they are poor. Okay, they are very poor. They don't have enough money for their daily needs. Certainly not enough left over to send their school to send their children to school. Means whatever they have, they're just using for the basic needs. They don't have enough money to send their children to the school. So their children are willing not willing to work outside, but because of their family condition, because of their financial problem, crisis of money, they are bound to work outside. Okay children, they are bound to work outside. They took some job in a where in a odd job like cleaning cars, ironing clothes, selling teas, newspaper, milk at home. Many of them, many different works are there which are garbage pickers. So they don't have money. So they don't have enough money to go to school, and also they don't have money to get their basic need. Even they are not getting three times meal in a day. So they are bound to work. So that type of children are known as child labor. Got it, children? That type of children are known as child labor. Got it? So see here, in such family, the children need not to take up job or some kind of work to earn money for the family. Means they are supporting their family because their family are not, they don't have enough money. Okay, so they are small children under the age of 10, 9, 11 years. They are working in the hotels and all. You can see in you can see in our town also there are. But in some case children work in the morning or do odd jobs. But few families are there, few cases are there where the children are working in the morning, and in the afternoon they are attending the school. Okay, they are attending the school, they are going to learn. Okay, so this type of children are also there, this type of families are also there, who is along with the working they are reading also. In the morning time they are reading, sorry, in the morning time they are working, and the afternoon time they are attending the school. So there are other who work all day at tea stall, dhabas, a domestic house, in a factory, make a clothes or a firecrackers in mines or street hawkers selling things on the road to earn money. These children cannot go to school at all. These children are not going school. Okay, they are only working to support their family. So this type of children is known as child labor. Got it? The children who are only working, not going to school, not reading. Okay, so they are known as child labor. So these children cannot go to school at all. When children are employed to work for money, it is called a child labor. When they are working for money, so that is known as child labor. So these children work in unhealthy condition which can harmful their health, and they work long hours, are not paid as much as adult for the same kind of job. Suppose the adult people, okay, who is working whole day and he is getting 500 in a day, but if the same job is done by the children, they are not getting 500. The people used to give them less money. And even though they are working in unhealthy condition, okay, their unhealthy condition, the conditions are not good, so they might have to suffer with the different diseases, different types of problems with the health issue. Got it, children? So now there are few organizations who is working for the prevention of child labor. Means they are working to prevent, to stop the child labor from our country. Their peoples are working in India. Their organization is working in India to help the children, to help the family by this organization. So every child has a right to study and play. Each and everyone wants to study and wants to play. Yes or no? But child labor is a problem that is present all over the world. Not only in India, but all over the world these problems are going on. So in India, it is illegal to employ a child below 14 years of age. Means if anyone is employing a child whose age is less than 14 years, so he or she should be a punishable offense. Means they are doing the wrong thing. They should not employ a child below the age of 14 years. However, there are such a children who all over our country. It is important to find a way to stop these things. Okay, so there are many organization means the people working for this. Okay, the group of people. So this is the name of the group is given CRY, that is Child Rights and Youth. UNICEF, that is United Nations International Child Emergency Fund, and the Kailash Satya Children's Foundation, that work towards putting the end child labor and make the world child friendly. Means they are working to stop child labor from our country and make them, the children, everyone, to read and play. That is why our government is also created different schemes for the educations of the children, for the poor people who don't have, who cannot afford their family to support, yes or no, to send their wards to the school. So the government has created various kinds of schemes for the children, like you can say midday meal is created by the government, where the children are getting food also when they are there, when they used to go school, and in the afternoon time they used to get their lunch in the school. So government has started this scheme to call, means to bring the students, to bring the children who is working for the food and all. So that type of children are coming these days and joining the school only in the greediness of getting food, and along with that they are receiving the education from the school. So children, this is the about this chapter, so you go through it. Okay, if you have any confusion we will discuss in the next class. Okay children, so thank you everyone.